What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be giving you a comprehensive tutorial on how you can open your Simplii financial bank account. Now Simplii is a no-fee bank. That means you don't have to be paying any fee to keep your bank account active each and every month. They also have a great cashback card, and on top of that, when you open your account, you can get $450. Now listen how you can get this, right? You're going to be using your account to receive deposit up to 3 months, and once you have $100 in your checking account, that's it. That's $450 for you. However, you can only get that benefit if you use the referral link in the description below, because I've partnered with them so you can get these great rewards. So with that said, let's head over to my laptop and get started. Alright guys, so to get started, you can go to online.simplii.com, or you can use the registration link in the description of this video. Now let's scroll down a bit. You have the ability to earn up to $450 when you become a new Simplii financial client. So if you use my referral link in the description of this video, you'll get $50 just to open your account, right? And you have to deposit at least $100 in a no checking account or high interest, and deposit at least $100 in a no checking account or high interest savings account within 6 months after opening, and keeping $100 or more in your account for 30 days. So just open your account, deposit $100 in it, and just let it sit there for 30 days. That's easy 1, 2, 3 for anybody. And we all know that in Canada, $50 can go a long way. Or you can use or spend $100 on your cashback Visa card or personal line of credit, right? Now in order to get the $400 when you open a no check-in fee account, add an eligible direct deposit of at least $100 or more for 3 months straight, right? This could be from your payroll, pension, or employment insurance to do the trick. So that's a easy $450. Just open your account. So just open your account and receive 3 months worth of deposit in your account, and you get the $400. Who wouldn't want that? Now once you're on the screen, you just select apply. Complete your application in a few minutes. So what you're going to need is your social insurance number, a digital signature, right? Those are the 2 main things you're going to need. Now let's select get started. So which type of account would you like? Now definitely we're going to need a no fee checking account. I'm going to go without overdraft protection. I'm going to select a cashback Visa. And I'm going to go with a high interest savings account. Now select next, scroll down, and you can read through this information when you are ready. So I'm going to select I agree to Simplii financial cashback credit card rates and fees, right? So select next. Are you a resident of Canada? Select yes. I'm confirming I'm opening this account for my personal use, yes. And then select next. Now just a few more questions to go. What is the intended use of this checking account? I'm just gonna say emergency fund. What is the intended use for your checking account? I'm just gonna say vacation. Intended use for your savings account? I'm just gonna say emergency fund, right? Then select next. Here you're going to complete all the personal information about yourself. Your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your social insurance number. Here you're going to complete your address, right? And then you specify how long you will live that address. Specify your living situation. What's your previous address? Here I'm just going to select my previous address wasn't in Canada. Then select next. So on this page, you're going to specify your mobile phone number and your email address, and then select next. For your job information, select your occupation category, and then select your employment status. Once you have completed your job information, then you select next. Here you're going to specify your employer's full name and also how long you have been working for the company. Then select next. Now on your financial information, how much do you make from each sources per year, right? So you're going to fill out this information and then select continue. Here specify your household expenses, and then select next. Here you're going to select your tax residency. Are you a tax resident of Canada? If you're paying taxes, of course you're going to select that, right? Do you pay taxes in other countries? Yes, right? I'm going to select my country. And then you specify your tax identification number. So once you have completed your residence details, select next. Here you're going to review and confirm your information. So I'm just going to select next. Accept the terms and I agree to do a credit check. So select next. Here you're going to create your digital signature. Once you have specified your digital signature, select next. Now here you have the option to make the first deposit to your account, right? So I'm going to say yes. I'm going to specify the amount that I want to deposit. For your security, we need to verify the address associated with your debit card information. Is the home address you already gave us is associated with your debit card? If not, then select no. So I'm going to select yes and then select next. Once you have completed your card information, select next. Your deposit is ready to go. So now I'm going to select submit application. You're all finished except for one final step, to verify your identity. So now it's time to verify your identity. You can verify your identity online with Interact Document Verification Services, or you can visit a post office. So I'm going to go with Interact and then select next. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to take a picture of your identification in real time, take a selfie of yourself in real time, and then they'll do the rest right after receiving the images. So I'm going to agree to the terms and then select next. Now select continue to document verification. Select your document type. I'm going to use driver's license. Then select continue. Here I'm going to select get secure link. Now you can specify your phone number or scan a QR code. So I'm just going to scan QR code. So here you're going to open your camera like you're taking a picture of the QR code. A link will then come up on your screen and then you tap that link. So now I'm just going to go through the steps on my mobile phone and verify my identity. So once you have uploaded your ID and your selfie, then select submit verification. Here you're going to select next. The verification has been received. Now select next. So now they are processing the application. This may take up to 5 minutes. So the verification process was successful and my application is now complete. Good news. We successfully ID'd you and your application has been completed. Keep an eye out for an email from us with more details on the next step. If you don't see it, make sure you check all your email folders. We'll be in touch soon. So let's close this. So that's basically how you open a Simplii Financial bank account online. If you want to see more tutorials on Simplii Financial, please leave it in the comment section below what you'd like to see and I'll definitely create a video on it.